In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icon in text in Notion. We'll walk through the exact steps to place icons, also known as emojis, right inside your text so your notes, tasks, and documentation feel clearer and more expressive. First, open the Notion website in your browser and sign into your workspace. Once you're on your home screen, create a new page. Click the New Page button, and when the blank page opens, give it a title. For this example, name it A. How to add icon in text so you can keep things organized as you practice. Now let's add some text. Click into the body of the page and type a short sentence or a sample paragraph, anything you like. After you've typed a few words, add a space and then type a colon. The colon is the key that tells Notion you're about to insert an icon. Right after the colon, type either the number 1 or the letter E. You'll see a small menu of icons appear. These are emoji suggestions that match what you typed. Simply browse the options and select the icon you prefer for your text. You can click it with your mouse or use the arrow keys to highlight it and press enter to insert. If you want to refine the results, keep typing a few more letters after the colon to filter for a specific icon. For example, typing colon followed by E can bring up commonly used emoji that start with that letter. If the suggestions don't appear, make sure there's a space before the colon and that you're typing directly in a text block rather than a database title or a special field that might behave differently. Once the icon is inserted, it becomes part of your sentence, so it flows naturally with your text. You can place icons at the start of a line to visually label a point, or drop them in the middle of a sentence to add emphasis. If you change your mind, remove it like any other character using backspace. Icons will match the surrounding text size and move with your formatting, so bolding or italicizing nearby words won't break anything. That's all there is to it. Open the Notion website, create a new page and name it. Type your sample text, add a space, enter a colon, type 1 or E to bring up the icon list, and pick the one you like. With this simple shortcut, you can quickly make your Notion pages more readable and engaging.